Hey there, I'm Doug. I'm the founder and creator of Magnfi, and I want to share with you today the amazing tool that is the case study video functionality exclusive to Magnfi Plus. So, case study video functionality, you're able to send 3 specific questions to that happy customer or client anywhere on the planet. They'll see those 3 questions come up on their smartphone individually, right? One at a time on their smartphone, tablet, or computer with a webcam. They answer each individual question up to 30 seconds on video. They hit submit and they're done. And the platform takes those questions and answers and produces a complete video with your logo. The text will come up and then it'll fade out and bring up the person on camera answering that question. And it does it for all 3 questions. Let's get right into it. So first thing you do, obviously after you ask them, is you click on capture a case study video. Then you come to step 1. You enter that happy customer's first name. That's going to throw my information in there. And then their email, right? And then you come down to the questions, right? So keep questions easy and quick to read, right? Because I want them to read those quickly and quickly answer those questions, right? So the first question can be, what was life like before working, as long as I could spell today, with us, right? How was the process of getting started? And the third question can be, how would you refer us, right? So they see each one of these questions and they have 30 seconds to answer each question. Then you come down to step 2. You pick the music and the call to action for your video. So by default, Magnfi takes your logo, styles with a little zoom animation, right? The music will play underneath it. We have tons of different choices of music to pick from. They're all different feels and tones, but they're all inspirational in feel and style. This is probably the most popular one. It's very upbeat. Well, it's very inspired. But this is the more upbeat one. There we go. So it's more upbeat, right? So you select your music because what you'll get back after they go through this process is a fully produced video ready to go. It's totally awesome. Then the call to action by default is white background with a black text. So it's very simple, very clean, right? So you pick from the drop-down menu some preloaded choices like the ever popular call today or learn more, right? But if you don't see anything here you like, you can actually input whatever you want here. As long as you keep it to 16 characters or less, you can input whatever you want. And then you can one-click add your phone number, one-click add your email. You can change the font style to better match the font of your business, or if you don't like this at all, you can actually upload your own customized call to action image, right? A lot of people actually will upload the back part of their business card. So it'll be full color here as opposed to the simple white background with black text. So, and then down here, your website address will populate down here, but say you want to change this to whatever you want, you can. Just type right in there and it'll change right there. So that's what your call to action will look like. So then you come to step 3, you click save, and send request. It is as simple as that. And if you look below, there's going to be an example case study video about somebody utilizing Magnfi. So thanks for watching this video. If you want to try the case study video functionality out absolutely free, you can try Magnfi Plus free for 7 days. And if you don't like it, you can downgrade to the pay-per-video model. You won't have access to case study videos or video email, but you will have access to video testimonials and branded video content. So totally up to you. Thanks so much for watching the video.